Good day, lovely pupils of grade 2 and my viewers. You're welcome to our class on mathematics. Alright, today we'll be looking at word problem on addition of capacities. Word problem on addition of capacities. Alright, we've been carrying out some activities on daily basis, which has to do with addition of liquids or bringing liquids together, liquids such as water, oil, petrol, kerosene, and so on. For example, if you have a drum at home and you are asked to fill that drum with water, the question is how many jerry cans of water will make up that one drum. That is a practical aspect of addition on capacity. All right, so you have to know how many of these jerry cans you are going to fetch the water to make up the drum. This is a practical aspect of addition on capacity. All right, we are going to look at this word problem on addition of capacity in detail with the examples I have on the body. I have example 1. And the question is, Peter's tank holds 452 liters of water, and Mr. John's tank holds 212 liters of water. Find the amount of liters of water the two tanks hold. Before I proceed, remember I told you, or I used to tell you that before solving word problem, any word problem you come across, first of all, you have to get the understanding of the question. You read the question over and over again to get the understanding. First of all, what you're going to try to get from the question is, what are you asked to find or to calculate in the question? With that knowledge and what has been given in the question, you'll be able to arrive at the correct answer. Please, not in a rush, take your time and read the question over and over again for good understanding of the question so that you know what to do. Alright, I'm going to read it once more and then we solve it. I take the question again. Peter's tank holds 452 liters of water, and Mr. John's tank holds 212 liters of water. Find the amount of liters of water the two tanks hold. That you have to find altogether the amount of liquid of the two tanks. Let's assume we have to pour the water of Peter and that of John's, the water in John's tank together. All together, how many liters of water are we going to have? Alright, this is addition. Alright, so we are going to add the amount of liters of water for Peter and that for John. Alright, so we have, okay, before I proceed, please, at times you need to interpret even while solving. You need to interpret your work so that somebody will understand that you know what you are doing. You don't just write it anyhow, unorganized. Alright, take your time and also try to explain when you are solving it, so that when someone take a look at your work, you understand that yes, this is what you are doing. So, right, this is how you can solve this very problem. First of all, we have Peter's tank. Peter's tank holds how many liters of water? Peter's tank holds 452 liters of water. And your arrangement, we have here Peter's tank, 452 liters. We can use L for liters. And then Mr. John's tank holds what? 212 liters. We have here Mr. John's tank. It's what? 212 liters. Remember, this is addition, so we are adding Mr. John's tank or liters of water to that of Peter's own to get the total. Alright, we have here 452 liters of water for Peter's tank and 212 liters of water for Mr. John's tank. So next we are going to add them together. Starting from your left or your extreme right, from your extreme right, that is the unit column. We have the 2 plus 12. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Alright, now we have 5 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Next we have 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. That is 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Adding them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Now, we have 452 liters of water. That is that of Peter's water, Peter's tank, which consists of 452 liters, and that of John consists of what? 212 liters. Altogether, we have the two tanks of water giving us 664 liters of water. So next we are going to look at example 2. Have the example 2. And the question is, a hotel sold 240 liters of juice on Friday and 331 liters of juice on Saturday. How much juice was sold altogether? I take the question again. A hotel sold 240 liters of juice on Friday and 331 liters of juice on Saturday. How much juice was sold altogether? Alright? Looking at the question, you agree with me that the question demands that we add the quantity of juice sold on Friday and that sold on Saturday together. Alright? So now we have here Friday. The quantity of juice that was sold on Friday was what? 240 liters. Alright? So we have here 240 liters of juice being sold on Friday, and Saturday 331 liters of juice was sold on Saturday. So this is addition. Alright? So we introduced our addition sign here. So altogether, how much juice was sold for the 2 days? So now we have 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Any number plus 0 is that number. 0 plus any number is that number. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is what? 7. Next we have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So altogether, 571 liters of juice was sold for the 2 days. Alright? I hope you've learned something from what we have done so far. We are going to call it a day at this point, but before I leave, I'm going to give you just a few assignments. Here is the assignment I have for you. Question number 1. 350 liters of water was collected by a boy in the morning and 642 liters in the afternoon. How much water was collected? The question again. 350 liters of water was collected by a boy in the morning and 642 liters in the afternoon. How much water was collected that day? And question number 2. Add 420 liters of kerosene to 312 liters of kerosene together. Alright? That's all I have for you for your assignments for this week. Alright? We are going to call it a day at this point. Until our next class, please stay safe, take care of yourself. I remember Mr. Godwin Anya, your mathematics teacher. Goodbye.